Our first speaker will walk us through the current state of cybersecurity in the country and how local organizations are navigating increasing complexity and emerging threats. Please welcome Fortinet's Country Manager for the Philippines, Bambi Escalante.
Good afternoon. Thank you, JJ. Thank you to everyone. So we are holding our annual flagship event, Accelerate Asia Pacific 2026 Philippines Edition. And we'd like to take this opportunity to share with our friends from the media our perspectives on what's happening in terms of the cybersecurity threat landscape. What are the challenges that our organization, Philippine organizations are facing, and how they are navigating it and how Fortinet can help.